Hi Freedom Friends! Today we are going to make a bird feeder out of a simple milk carton. So what you're going to need for this craft is a paintbrush and some paint, a milk carton, and this you could get a small milk carton, a bigger one, just something that's cardboard so we can cut through it, a scissors, and then last but not least a hole punch. You're also going to need some string at the end of it to be able to hang the bird feeder. So first let's take the scissors and we're going to cut the shape of a box out of the front of the milk carton. So be sure to have a parent help you with this because it can be kind of tough and I don't want anyone hurting themselves, so please get a parent to help you with this part. But just go ahead and cut a rectangle out of the front part of the milk carton. Next, take the hole punch, and we're going to make a hole right at the bottom in the center of the rectangle that we just made. And this is where we're going to put a little dowel in so that the birds can sit on that. And then in the top, make a hole punch as well, and this will be where the string goes in so that we can hang the bird feeder from a tree or from a post or something like that. Next we're going to paint it. So take a newspaper and put that underneath the milk carton so that we don't get any paint on your surface of the table or wherever you're painting. And then go ahead and take the paintbrush and your paint, and I'd say put the paint onto a little plate or something like that so that you can dip out of it. And then go ahead and let's cover the whole carton on the outside with your paint. You're going to need several coats for this most likely because a lot of the words and the paint or the prints underneath are going to show through. So once this coat dries, you're going to probably want to put another coat on it as well. Alright, so as you can see, this project is finished, but I know the last place we talked about was letting the paint dry. So I'll walk you through the process of once the paint is dry. I had to add a second coat of paint to mine, and it still didn't quite cover up all the words. So if you want to add even a third coat, then that's fine. So feel free to decorate it with more paint or with stickers, with markers, however you want to do that. And then the last finishing touch is just adding a piece of string in this little hole that we punched here at the top. And then tying it to make a nice loop. And last, adding a little stick to that hole that we punched in the bottom here. So I was going to use a dowel, but I couldn't find one at my house. So I just found a little stick that works really well, and that'll just make a nice little place for the bird to sit on while it eats. So some things that you can put in your bird feeder are, you could put just a bird feed that you bought from the store. I also know that some birds like oranges and apples, some even like peanut butter. So feel free to try out some different things and see what kind of birds you have come and visit you.